Hello and welcome to this product demo. My name is Kristoffer and I'm engineer and product manager at ZaveIT. And today I'm going to demo the latest release, which is the Webshop. And the Webshop is an extension of the ZaveIT platform that enables IT providers to sell products directly to end customers. And for this demo, we're going to pretend that we're an IT provider named Wonka that wants to sell IT products to their end customers. And for this scenario, we're selling smartphones. So I'll meet you back in the platform and we're going to set up this new web shop. All right, so we're all set up in ZaveIT with our new fictional company called Wonka. We have added some initial white labeling to the platform. So we have our green brand color here and also the Wonka logo. And our goal today is to build our own web shop so that we can sell our products to the end customers. You can also sell services with ZaveIT, but today we want to focus on products only. And it's very easy to get going with ZaveIT. All we need to do is to add the products to the platform and they will automatically appear in the web shop. Today we support 3 ways of adding products to the platform. You can create them manually one by one in the platform, or you can set up an integration with your distributor. But today we want to show you how to use a CSV file and import it to the platform with our own import wizard. If we take a look at the web shop right now, it's very empty, and that's because we have no products added to the platform. This is how the web shop will look like once we have added all of our desired products. We will have categories on the left side along with filters, and the customer will be able to click on a product, add it to the cart, and complete the checkout process like any traditional web shop today. If we go back to the platform, we can start by adding products. Before we initiate the import, let's just take a look at the data we are working with here. So here we have just a simple CSV file with a lot of smartphones in it. And some of the columns, as you can see here, also combine different values in each cell. That's no problem. Our import wizard will map out these values and make them available for filtering later on. So we're going to be using that as well. If we go back to the platform, we can just go ahead and start one import. So we want to do the CSV one. And here we can just go ahead and add our file. So we can do the demo smartphone file. Click next. And here we can see all of the products that are found. So we can just go ahead and click import all. After selecting all of the products, we just need to fill out the required fields. So we can just do that now. You can also add additional fields. I know we want to have images in our web shop. And we can also add additional fields like description. We also want short description. And lastly, I want to have categories as well. So let's make sure we select this one. And next up is property mapping. And this is where we read out all values and make them available for filtering. So each property you make will become a property in the filtering section of the web shop. So I know that we want to have colors. So we can just select color here. And then we just need to find each color and add them to this property. So let's do exactly that. All right, and next up is screen size. All right, that should be all of them. And next up is capacity or storage. And next up, we also want to add producers. Let's see if we have that one. And that's Apple and Samsung. I believe this is all the fields we want, so let's just go ahead. And lastly, we want to select shop here. We want the products to be active, and we also want to save this import profile. This means that the next time you import this file, you don't have to fill out and map up all of the properties again, which makes it way more easier to import prices or other values for the same products. So just click import, and here we go. So if you go back here, you can see that we have all of our new products. And if we check our web shop, we can see here that all products are available. So here we have the smartphone category, along with the filters we added from the property mapping. So this all looks great, but let's do one more thing. Let's add accessories as well. So we can just go back here and quickly add cables. Let's see. So we have one more file here. So we can do the same. Do the SKU, the name, price, and lastly categories. Then let's see here, these are all values, so let's remove these. So for cables, we have power outage. Let's add that one. And here we're at 20 watts, and yeah, I think that's about it. And I know we have colors as well. That's white and black. And then we also have length, is 2 meters and 1 meters. And lastly, we want to have producer as well, which is down here. It's Apple and Belkin. So we can just go ahead and we want to save this as accessories profile. Let's go ahead and import this one. And if we go back to our shop, we can see here that accessories is a new category. And here we have the cables and power adapters. There's one common occurrence I want to showcase before we end the demo, and that is scenarios where the distributors update their prices on the lists. If that happens, it's very easy to update the prices in the web shop. So right now we can see these have different prices. If we modify the CSV list we have here, let's say all products suddenly update their prices to 500 for demo purposes, and we save this file, we can go back to the platform and import that file. As long as you've saved the profile, all you need to do is to update the CSV file one more time with the new updated prices. And here we can see that the price is 500 on all of the products. So we can just continue. And we don't need to do anything here either. If we now click import, 158 products were updated. So if we go back to the web shop now, all of the iPhones and Samsung smartphones should be 500 like we see here. So that's very easy to do with a platform. I think it's time to wrap up the demo by showing how the end customer buying experience is. So if I copy this URL and open a new browser, products, this is what a non-existing customer will see. So they have no account at Wonka. So they can either become a customer by clicking here, but what we can do is pretend that we're buying a black iPhone. So let's see here, I want it to be Apple. And let's select an iPhone 15. So by default, the prices are hidden. So if they wanted to see the prices, they would have to become a customer at Wonka. So what they can do then is click on create an account. Let's see here, let's find a company number. Let's do this one. So DNB. And there's a authentication step here. Let me just complete that one. All right, so now I can see that it was very easy to become a customer or create an account, and now they can see the prices. If I go back, I can see prices of all of the products. So let's just add one more phone like this. Then we can go ahead and check out. So by clicking complete order, the order is placed. And if I go back to the Wonka platform, if I go back here, I should see the new order from DNB here. All right, so that wraps up our demo of the new web shop, including the CSV import. If you want to demo this web shop yourself or any other part of the platform, just reach out to our local sales rep, or you can visit ZaveIT.io. Thanks for watching.